Spring is here, warmer days are ahead, and we're throwing down the most incredible Hawaiian-inspired hot-smoked Huli Huli barbecue sandwiches all over live fire. Now, to start, get yourself a pork shoulder big enough to feed a famished horde of family and friends. Score the fat cap, inject with CK Mondavi and family Pinot Grigio wine, apply a classic mayo binder, then season simply before dropping atop the indirectly heated grill grates to your smoker. Adjust the vents until the grill settles near 275 degrees and let that roast ride. Meanwhile, for this island style of slaw, we're tossing together an aromatic garden of chopped, sliced, hacked and diced cabbage, carrots, fresh ginger, garlic, jalapeno, and pineapple, then folding it all together with a buttery avocado oil before brightening up with orange zest and rice wine vinegar. Now, intermittently mix the pork in a Pinot Grigio spritz until a rich mahogany color crust develops, drop in a foil pan, cover, and slowly braise until 205 of juicy, tender perfection. For our Aloha-inspired sauce, simmer, whisk, and caramelize a sweet and tangy concoction of organic ketchup with pineapple juice, rice wine vinegar, sesame oil, soy, ginger, and garlic for the best Huli Huli sauce you've never tasted. Just look at that pork, so insanely juicy and literally shreds like butter. And that is how that is done. To plate, load and layer your seeded brioche buns or classic King's Hawaiian rolls with heirloom tomato, a pile of pulled pork, top with sauce, slaw, and smash. These sandwiches had just the right bit of smoke, sweet, kick of heat, and were so ridiculously good. Stay hungry, my friends. Cheers.